Hello students. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is algebraic expressions and identities. What is algebraic expressions? It's a very simple. See this. These are the examples of the algebraic expressions. So x plus 3, 2y minus 5, 3x square, 4xy plus 7. So these are all the algebraic expressions. How these algebraic expressions are formed? So these algebraic expressions are formed from variables and the constant. See this one. Here the variable is x and the constant is 3. Why we call x as a variable? Because its value is changes. For example, if you put the 0 in the place of x, the 0 plus 3 we get 0. So, if you put the 1 in the place of x, so 1 plus 3 we get 4. Or if you put the 2 plus 3 we get 5. So, see here, every time we change the value of x and the result is also changed. That means sum is also changes. So, we can call it this one as a variable. Okay, so usually algebraic expressions are formed from the one variable or one or more variables and the constant. Here variable is y and constant is 2 and 5. Here the variable is x and the constant is 3. Here variables are x and y and the constants are 4 and 7. The constant is nothing but numbers. Its value couldn't be changed anytime. Okay, that is called what? Constant. And the next one is terms, factors and coefficient. Here see the 2y minus 5. This is the algebraic expressions. Here the terms are 2y and 5. Okay, the 2y and 5 are called the what? Terms. Here these algebraic expressions are made up of two terms. One is 2y, another one is 5. And usually terms are formed as the product of the factors. So you see here see that the 2y is the term. This term is formed by product of the factors, that is 2 and y. The 2 and y is called the what? Factors. Okay, and 2y, the complete 2y is called what? Terms. This terms is formed by or made up of two factors. One is 2, another one is 5. And second one is 5. 5 is a constant, but here the factor is only 1. This is one only factor. Okay, here 2y is terms and this term is made up of two factors. Okay, and see these expressions. Okay, here in this expression which consists two terms. One is 2y, another one is minus 5. So 2y is one term, minus 5 is another term. So the term 2y is a product of factors 2 and y. Okay, here the numerical factor of a term is called the coefficient. Here the numerical term is 2. Okay, so 2 is called the what? Coefficient. Okay, this 2 is called the coefficient. If you take the 4xy plus 7, here the terms are 4xy and 7. This term is made up of three factors. One is 4, another one is x, another one is y. Here the numerical value or numerical factor is 4. This 4 is called the what? Coefficient of x and y. Okay, so in the 4xy, the 4 is the coefficient of xy, the 7 is constant. Okay, so next one is monomials. So what are monomials? The monomials nothing but if the expression contains only one term, that is called the monomial. For example, take the expression is 5x. Okay, here the expression has only one term. This is called what? Monomial. If you consider 7x, minus 8x, minus 5, minus 100, 1000 or 8x square, or if you take on 3xy or 5xy square, okay, or 82mnp. These are all what? Monomials, because in this expression only one term. So 82mnp only one term, 5xy square only one terms. Okay, if the expressions has only one term, then it is called the what? Monomials. Next one is binomial. Binomials means is nothing but if the expressions containing two terms, then it is called what? Binomial. For example, a plus b, 4l plus 5m, a plus 4, 5 minus 3xy, okay, z square minus 4y square. Here the expressions contains two terms, a and b. There are two terms. Here also two terms. Here also two terms. These expressions are called what? Binomials. Next one is trinomials. So what are trinomials? Is nothing but expressions containing three terms, then it is called the trinomials. So a plus b plus c, 2x plus 3y minus 5, x square y minus xy square plus y square, etc. These are all the examples of the trinomials. Here the expressions contain three terms. So if the expression contains one or more than one, okay, then it is called the what? Polynomial. The polynomial is nothing but expressions containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient is called the polynomial. The examples are a plus b plus c plus d, 3x5, 7xyz minus 10. These are all the examples of polynomials. Okay.